This thing sucks 4,000 watts. Now we run our whole house on under 700 watts of power. Come and see. Join us as we say goodbye to our big whole house energy hog air conditioner. That's why we switched to zone heating and cooling with efficient EG4 mini splits from Signature Solar. One 24,000 BTU unit here for the living area and kitchen, and one 12,000 BTU unit for the bedrooms. Now we only heat or cool the rooms we're actually using, pull less than 700 watts total instead of 4,000, and run 100% on solar. No grid, no noise, no crazy bills.
Ew, this doesn't look like it's very healthy.
This is what we ripped out, and this is what we used to breathe. Right now the mini split's only pulling 440 watts. That's it. Here we are in the living room, and this is our 24,000 BTU hybrid unit. Hybrid meaning it can run off of both DC and AC power. Now DC comes direct from the solar panels, and we'll show you how they hook up to the outside part downstairs. The AC power can either come from the grid, or in our case, from our off-grid 6000 XP solar inverter. The units install pretty easy, and Signature Solar has a nice YouTube stepping through the installation piece by piece, and it's a great watch. But this inside unit, it just hangs on a bracket on the wall. Now, this is a concrete wall for us. We live in a hurricane area, which we did not want to penetrate. So I ran the refrigerant lines and electrical cords down the wall here, and even through a hole in the floor to get down to the outside unit, which is downstairs. Fortunately, they provide a long enough run for the refrigerant lines and electrical cords to allow us to do that. So let's take a walk downstairs and have a look at the outside unit that goes with this. Same job as our whole hog house AC, but 1/10 the power and nice and quiet. Here we are at the outside unit for our 24,000 BTU hybrid model. This is our workhorse baby that keeps our living room, our kitchen, our hallways nice and cool during the summer and warm and toasty during the winter time. That dual heat cool feature is really helpful. Okay, so here's the plumbing and electrical cables supplying power to this unit that came from the upstairs unit, upstairs down through the floor and out through a closet here. We got a little creative there. For the hybrid mode, you directly connect your solar panels to MC4 connectors that are built into the unit. It's that simple. Just plug your solar panels in. You need 3 or 4 solar panels to meet the voltage requirement to switch over to hybrid mode. And it's all automatic. For the AC side of things, the whole system, upstairs and downstairs, plugs in right here at this unit. This is a heavy-duty extension cord I have that goes over to our off-grid inverter. Well, refrigerant lines come pre-charged. The refrigerant is already pressurized in the lines, so there's no need for an HVAC technician to come out and charge the lines. You simply screw them in, and they're ready to go. Signature Solar includes this nice sturdy bracket with the outdoor units. It comes as part of the package. Holds it nicely, allows you to wall mount it. You can also mount it on the floor, as you'll see we did upstairs for the bedroom unit. Both the indoor and outdoor units need a drain line for condensation. That's included in this package of hosing that comes from upstairs. And you see we have a drain line right here, heads into this drain pipe which goes out to the garden. These have a sleek design and they're quiet and efficient. Okay, let's go take a look at our bedroom setup. This one's only pulling 80 watts right now. Here's our 12,000 BTU unit here in our extra large bedroom. It does a great job here and it's nice and quiet. We have, again, nicely mounted on the wall. Just plop it up on a bracket, concrete wall, and hurricane area, so we chose not to penetrate the concrete. Bring the hoses and electrical lines right out through a hole in our cat door, which makes it nice and convenient. Here's the power to the unit. Again, we use heavy-duty extension cords, which run down to our solar generator. Let's have a look at the outdoor unit. Here's the 12,000 BTU outdoor unit for our bedroom. This one we chose to mount on a platform right out here on our deck. And that was really convenient. Our refrigerant lines and electrical cables come right out here through our cat door window, and the excess cables and hoses are coiled underneath this platform. Here's our electrical connections for incoming and outgoing electric, and our hose connections right here. Again, this is not a hybrid unit, so we don't have the solar panel connections on this one. It runs quiet, efficient. We never even hear it in the living room. We absolutely love these units. It's just been a dream come true for us to get off of the big whole house air conditioner and have quiet, efficient heating and cooling throughout our whole house with just 2 mini splits. They're really amazing in that regard. Here at our EG4 monitor station, we can see that both mini splits are running full blast, but we're only drawing 689 watts. That's great efficiency. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to EcoHabs for Earth so we can continue to help people with regenerative living practices for our future to be possible.